November 2019. Los Angeles crackled with anticipation. The air was electric, filled with the buzz of excitement and curiosity. Elon Musk, ever the showman, was about to unveil Tesla's latest creation. The audience knew they were in for something extraordinary. The Cybertruck, a radical departure from conventional pickup trucks, rolled onto the stage. Its entrance was nothing short of dramatic. Its angular, stainless steel exoskeleton looked like something out of a science fiction film. The crowd gasped, their eyes wide with astonishment. This wasn't just a vehicle, it was a statement, a bold declaration of Tesla's vision for the future of transportation. Musk touted the Cybertruck's impressive specifications. He highlighted its unique features, each one more impressive than the last. It boasted incredible acceleration, a range exceeding 500 miles and a starting price tag under $40,000. It was a marvel of engineering. He even demonstrated its supposed armor glass windows, though the demonstration went famously awry. The mishap, however, only added to the event's drama. Despite the mishap, the Cybertruck had captured the world's attention. The audience erupted in applause, their excitement undiminished. It was bold, it was futuristic, and it was undeniably Tesla. The Cybertruck stood as a testament to innovation and daring design. The Cybertruck's design was polarizing, to say the least. Its sharp angles and unconventional look sparked intense debate. Some derided its unconventional aesthetics, comparing it to a doorstop or a geometric nightmare. Memes flooded the internet, mocking its appearance. Others were captivated by its audacity, praising its ruggedness and futuristic appeal. Fans saw it as a bold step forward. Love it or hate it, the Cybertruck was impossible to ignore. It commanded attention wherever it went. It had shattered the mold of what a pickup truck could be. The Cybertruck stood in stark contrast to traditional pickups. The automotive world was shaken. Industry experts and professionals were left reeling, trying to comprehend the impact of this new entrant. Traditional manufacturers, long accustomed to incremental design changes and predictable product cycles, were caught off guard. The Cybertruck was a wake-up call. The Cybertruck was a shot across the bow, a signal that Tesla was coming for a piece of the lucrative pickup market. Competitors had to take notice, and with its electric powertrain and promises of sustainability, it represented a potential threat to the gas-guzzling status quo. The future of transportation was being redefined. The initial response to the Cybertruck was nothing short of overwhelming, capturing the attention of both the media and the general public. Pre-orders flooded in at an astonishing rate, far exceeding even Tesla's most optimistic projections and setting new records for the company. Within just a few days, hundreds of thousands of people had eagerly put down a refundable $100 deposit to reserve their own Cybertruck, showcasing the immense interest and trust in Tesla's vision. The demand was unprecedented for a vehicle so radically different from anything else on the market, a true testament to Tesla's brand power and Elon Musk's unparalleled ability to generate hype and excitement. The Cybertruck seemed to tap into a deep well of consumer desire for something new, something different, and something that broke the mold of traditional automotive design. It appealed to a wide range of people, from tech enthusiasts and environmentalists to pickup truck traditionalists and those simply looking for a unique vehicle. Some were drawn to its futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, seeing it as a glimpse into the future of transportation. Others were attracted by its promised performance capabilities, rugged durability, and the potential cost savings of going electric, which made it an appealing option for a variety of practical reasons. Tesla's website struggled to keep up with the massive influx of traffic as eager customers rushed to secure their reservations. The Cybertruck configurator, which allowed potential buyers to customize their vehicle to their exact specifications, was constantly overloaded, reflecting the high level of interest and engagement. Social media was abuzz with Cybertruck discussions, memes, and fan art, as people from all over the world shared their excitement and opinions. The vehicle had transcended the automotive world and become a cultural phenomenon, capturing the imagination of millions and sparking conversations far beyond the typical car enthusiast circles. The sheer volume of pre-orders presented both an incredible opportunity and a significant challenge for Tesla as they worked to meet the overwhelming demand. On the one hand, it represented billions of dollars in potential revenue and a significant backlog of demand that could secure Tesla's financial future for years to come. On the other hand, it meant ramping up production to an unprecedented scale and overcoming the logistical hurdles of manufacturing such a complex and unconventional vehicle, a task that would test Tesla's capabilities and resources to their limits. To meet the overwhelming demand for the Cybertruck, Tesla broke ground on a massive new factory in Austin, Texas. This Gigafactory, Tesla's largest yet, would be dedicated to the production of the Cybertruck and other future models. Musk promised a state-of-the-art facility, incorporating cutting-edge manufacturing technologies and sustainable practices. However, the road to mass production proved to be anything but smooth. The Cybertruck's unique design and construction presented numerous engineering challenges. Its angular stainless steel body panels, while visually striking, were notoriously difficult to manufacture and assemble. The vehicle's large size and weight also posed logistical hurdles for production and transportation. As months turned into years, the initial production target of late 2021 slipped further and further away. Delays became commonplace, and Musk's optimistic timelines were met with increasing skepticism. The pressure was mounting on Tesla to deliver on its promises as both investors and reservation holders grew impatient. Reports emerged of production bottlenecks, quality control issues, and cost overruns at the Austin Gigafactory. The Cybertruck's complex design, which looked so striking on stage, was proving to be a nightmare to manufacture at scale. The dream of a seamless transition from prototype to mass production was colliding with the harsh realities of automotive manufacturing. By 2023, cracks began to appear in the Cybertruck's once impenetrable armor. The vehicle that had once captivated the world with its bold design and futuristic promises was now facing a series of challenges that threatened to undermine its success. The initial excitement surrounding the vehicle had given way to a more cautious wait-and-see attitude. Potential buyers, who had once been eager to get their hands on the revolutionary truck, were now more skeptical, scrutinizing every detail and delay. Production delays continued to mount, and Tesla remained tight-lipped about a firm release date. The factory floors, once bustling with activity, now stood eerily quiet, with machinery idling and workers growing increasingly frustrated. The once deafening hype surrounding the Cybertruck was beginning to wane. Showrooms that had been packed with eager customers were now noticeably emptier, and the buzz at auto shows had quieted down significantly. Analysts and industry observers started to question the viability of the Cybertruck's unconventional design and manufacturing process. They pored over design documents and debated whether Tesla's ambitious approach was sustainable in the long run. Some argued that Tesla had overreached, sacrificing practicality and affordability for the sake of futuristic aesthetics. The sleek, angular design that had initially wowed audiences was now being scrutinized for its real-world applicability. Others expressed concerns about the company's ability to ramp up production to meet the still substantial backlog of pre-orders. The long queues of pre-order vehicles were a testament to the high demand, but also a glaring reminder of the production challenges that lay ahead. Rumors circulated of internal disagreements within Tesla regarding the Cybertruck's design and production strategy. Meetings that were once collaborative had turned contentious, with heated debates over the best path forward. Some engineers reportedly argued for a more conventional approach, using traditional materials and manufacturing methods to simplify production and reduce costs. They believed that a return to tried-and-true methods could help get the Cybertruck back on track. Others remained committed to Musk's original vision, even as it became increasingly clear that realizing that vision would be more challenging than anticipated. They continued to push the boundaries of innovation, determined to bring the futuristic truck to life. The once unified front that Tesla had presented to the world began to show signs of strain. The stress of mounting challenges and internal disagreements was becoming evident, with tensions running high in corporate meetings. The company's stock price, which had soared to new heights in the wake of the Cybertruck's unveiling, began to fluctuate as investors grew wary of the production delays and mounting challenges. The financial markets, once bullish on Tesla's prospects, were now showing signs of uncertainty. The Cybertruck, once a symbol of Tesla's innovative prowess, was in danger of becoming a cautionary tale of ambition exceeding execution. The vehicle that had promised to revolutionize the automotive industry was now at a crossroads, with its future hanging in the balance.